In this video, I will show you how you can buy data on Lyca Mobile. So first of all, start by opening up any browser that you are using and simply search for Lyca Mobile buy data. And once you search for this, make sure to also search for a specific country wherever you are in right now. And then you just need to go for their official website. Let's say I have selected the Germany website, which is based for Germany users. So I will simply click on any one of these that I want to go with. As you can see, 60 GB data with 15.99 pounds, which I can simply click on this buy now, and then I just need to enter my mobile number. Before that, make sure to select if you have SIM card or eSIM. Then you can also go with extras or top up. Otherwise, you can simply click on checkout on the bottom of your screen, and then you need to enter your first name, last name, and your email address. And once you do so, then you need to simply go for the confirmation and purchase the plan, and you will going to receive your data onto your mobile device. So that's the way of how you can buy data on Lyca Mobile.